Recently, Comptroller and Auditor General of India has released the State Finances Report for the year 2024 to 2025. So in this context, let's understand the CAG in simple terms. CAG is often called the guardian of the public purse. It protects and checks how public money is used. But remember one point, it doesn't control the entire finance system of India. I know the wording is slightly exaggerated, but you will understand why in a while. And Article 148 of the Indian Constitution establishes the office of the CAG in India. Appointment, President of India, term 6 years until the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. And security of a tenure, yes, there is a security of tenure. He can only be removed by the President of India through a special majority in a manner similar to that of a Supreme Court judge. That's why it is very difficult to remove a CAG in India. And further appointment? No, there is no further appointment. And look at Article 149, which defines the duties, powers of a CAG. Here is an important point. It can be asked in our examinations also. Here, Parliament is empowered to regulate these powers and duties. Accordingly, it already enacted the CAG duties and powers conditions of a Service Act. Conditions of Service Act 1971. Another important point is the CAG office is borrowed from UK, but the CAG in India is different from the CAG in UK. How? In UK, the CAG performs both auditing and controlling. But in India, the official designation is Comptroller and Auditor General of India only. But in practice, it is Auditor General only, not Controller. It only audits after expenditure has already taken place. That's why it is said that the CAG doesn't control the entire financial system. Did you understand now why I mentioned earlier? And interestingly, CAG is called friend, philosopher and guide of the Public Accounts Committee. Public Accounts Committee, because CAG helps the Public Account Committee to understand audit reports. These are the audit reports, and it also helps the PAC to understand technical issues. And one more point I forgot to mention here. We all know that Council of Ministers is responsible to the Lok Sabha, right? So, the financial accountability is strengthened through these audit reports of the CAG. And another important point is, before 1976, the CAG was responsible for both accounting and auditing. But after 1976, departmentalization has taken place. There, accounting was separated and it is transferred to Comptroller General of Accounts. It is a department of expenditure under the Ministry of Finance. Now, CAG doing auditing only. These are the types of auditing: propriety auditing, compliance auditing, finance auditing, efficiency auditing. That's all about the lecture. One more thing, if you want me to explain these in detail, let me know in the comment section. I will explain in the next session. Thank you.